gotta build a shelter to protect it. Oh yeah, yeah.
It's almost harvesting season.
When you work, your reward.
He's a quitter, just like his father.
Dude, we need this up to at least 400.
That thing gas powered? You're a punk just like your stepfather.
Gordo, get your ass out of bed, son. We're going camping.
Feet probably. Okay.
What is this? What is this?
It's nailed in, is it not? Pull it off and then let go of it. This is a good log. I'm keeping this log.
Okay, well I'm gonna take my cedar. Fetch a good price at the market. It's almost harvesting season. Need a crisper. Which one's yours?
The fuller one.
Oh, of course. Cheap bastard.
And
Sure.
So day 2, got this stuff done. Quite a bit, I would say.
Hey, it looks like somebody took down our fort already. Ripped her right down. And a piece of wood that will go from this tree into that fucking king tree. You want to hold this piece?
Hey. Went with the classic oatmeal, raisins. Really happy with what we've accomplished here today.
Dude, of course. Smoked oysters in a can. Some of you, I don't know. God's gift to man.
Oh yeah. I think we filled our quota for the day.
Port's turned out really good. I'm very pleased with how it looks. Very pleased.
I don't know about finishing the wall, Garda.
Hear that?
It's big. We started huge.
Yeah.
Day 5. We got the structure for the door complete. We're completely boxed in. And we decided to dig ourselves a little fire pit to the ground with our fire. It's comfortable here. For once we don't have to bust our ass at the campsite. Everything's here ready to go. The wood. You can just come here, set up, and chill. We got the pizza. We got coals underneath. I don't think that's gonna cook like that, Gordo.
Dude, we need this up to at least 400.
It's that apple wood flavor. Pizza got slightly burnt in the middle.
This side's good. Great.
Campfire pizza, but I will say it does not have a campfire flavor. It tastes like it was cooked in the oven, kind of.
Tastes like engine oil.
Yep. You're a punk just like your stepfather. Boy, this thing's bad, boy, yeah. Ended up running out of wood, so we're gonna have to get a couple more logs for the night.
Oh, dude, that's ready to fucking go. Want to take the heavier one?
I hear something like clicking in the bush.
Try it. Go get ankle pick.
Above our head in case it does drip there. Because there's no point in hoping for the best, right? Classic bedroll.
Well,
It's actually been
it's fucking done the job.
one of the great additions to our camping. Still got the tag on it, $5.99 from Salvation
From
Army.
Sally.
Sally Ann. Last time we were in a soggy tent. Brutal sleep.
Same forest.
Gordon to bring a tent and he wouldn't do it.
He wanted to pitch a tent in this fort.
There's two sides. We could have put a tent over there. Crawl in for the night. You're the same safeness in a tent as not in a tent.
Listen to him
It's
trying to
just
justify
comfortable.
himself.
There's bugs all over here.
You gotta watch your six in the woods, you know? Our sleeping arrangement set up. Got our, just in case, it's gonna rain. Got David's door just in case.
Why am I peeling off my jacket before bed? I like
Trying to act like a tough guy. Thinks he's going to bed without a jacket.
thinks he gets to sleep without his clothes on tonight.
Oh shit, dude. Totally forgot. I got 2 bedrolls here.
Give me
Oh
that.
my god.
Gordon, get your boots out from it. Give me that fucker. You don't get that.
Okay, what? What about my boots?
Put your boots down by your feet. You don't want your boots under there dripping. They're gonna get soaked. Anything here is gonna get
You're not my man. You can't tell me what to do.
Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button.
Quite a bit of wood. Quite a bit of wood.
Alright. Captain's log. Signing out.
Morning. Good morning. Oh, she's a little soggy out.
Nice and cozy sleep.
Yeah.
It's about 8 o'clock.
Yeah, a couple cookies for breakfast. The fire was going. And then it just died.
Are you wanting to get the fire going this morning?
No.
No.
Far too wet.
Yeah.
My fire making skills ain't in that ballpark. Yeah. I just try to tap my heels and say there's no place like home.
So I'd say camping here was a success. Managed to stay dry and get a good night's sleep. Clean everything up, head home. On to the next one, I guess. Plan out the next adventure.
Till next time, guys.
Adios.